Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Hyundai i30 N-Line, stock reference number 5222. This shape runs from the third month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.